Yeah, that's it right there. Hey, what's up guys? So today I'm back with the next video, and today I'm going to show you how to use your Apple Watch and your iPhone together and have the Apple Watch as a viewfinder. So pretty much it is going to show you what you're seeing when your phone is faced backward and you're using it as a vlogging camera or whatever. I'll show you soon in a few. So first thing first, you're going to need a Apple Watch and you're going to need a iPhone. So here I have the Apple Watch SE and the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So here today we have the 12, but I'm not going to use the 12, but you guys get the idea. So I'm going to use the Max because it's more bigger and that way I can wrap it around even better. So here we have it, real quick and fast. So the first thing that you want to do guys is get your iPhone up. So let's get it up like that, and you're gonna want to get your watch like this, and you're gonna want to put your watch around it like that. So next thing, you're gonna want to make sure your watch is strapped on the right way. So let me do it real quick here, just like that. So right there you see my watch is strapped on pretty much nicely, and pretty much I'm going to show you guys how it's done right here. So the first thing first, you want to pull your phone. So let me pull the phone real quick, and then you're going to want to go to camera. No, first thing first, I believe that you don't really need to open the camera on the phone. You need to open the camera on the watch itself. So let me pull the watch real quick, and let's go to the viewfinder. Let me see if I can find the viewfinder still. Hold on, let me see if we can find that viewfinder. I'm not that familiar, so it's gonna take a while for me to find viewfinder. So go to here it is, I think. Yeah, that's it right there. So here we have it. That's the viewfinder right there. You're looking through this camera right here. If you see my fingers passed over it, so pretty much this is how you're gonna want to strap it on. And you can also add it to a tripod to get that nice viewfinder. So imagine holding your phone like this and vlogging. It's gonna be pretty nice. That way you can use your back cameras, because as you guys know, the back camera is the better part of the video quality. If you use the front part, you'll be missing out on a lot of it. And you can see a lot of people on Twitter are now using this feature, which I pretty much highly recommend. And here you can take pictures, you can do recordings, you can flip it from front to rear. So let's say I want to do the front camera, I can flip it to the front, and the front will be dark because yeah, the front is the front right there. You guys can see pretty much it's using the front camera right there. And I can also flip it back to the rear. I can put on flash. You can do so much. It's like a remote app right here. So you can use HDR, live photo, and all those stuff. Let me turn it around to the rear camera, and yeah, the flash is pretty much on. So that's pretty much it guys. But if you guys want to like up the quality and don't want to use the iPhone watch as the Apple Watch as a viewfinder, you guys can go out and get a lightning to HDMI adapter, and you would put it to a real camera monitor. So that's the way to do it, the right way to get it on a bigger display and all those stuff. But this, I'm pretty much sure everybody nowadays is getting a iPhone watch and a iPhone. Why I keep saying iPhone watch? It is a Apple watch, not an iPhone watch, mainly because it is more compatible with the iPhone, so it is more to say iPhone watch, I would say. But that's pretty much it guys. I don't want to make this video too long, but you guys get the idea. You strap it on to your phone, get it in place, and you click on the camera viewfinder or the camera remote app on your Apple Watch, and you pretty much it. That's it, like literally. So you don't really need to touch your phone. You just literally need to go on there, go on the cap. You can take pictures this way and all those stuff. You can take a selfie without the front facing camera. Like, that's a really good trick. So that's pretty much it, guys. Let me know if this video was helpful, but until my next video, guys, I'll see you guys when I see you guys. Peace. If this video was helpful, please consider subscribing, but until my next video, guys, I'll see you guys when I see you guys. Peace.